Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Engine oil is one of the most important fluids in any vehicle, yet it is also surrounded by countless myths that have been passed down for decades. Many drivers still rely on outdated advice from older generations, mechanics from years ago, or information they read online without checking if it still applies to modern vehicles. Cars have changed dramatically over the years. Engines are now built with tighter tolerances, smarter computer systems, advanced synthetic lubricants, and longer service intervals. Because of these improvements, many old beliefs about engine oil are no longer true. Believing these myths can lead to unnecessary expenses, wasted oil, reduced engine performance, and even costly repairs. In this video, we'll separate fact from fiction by exploring the most common engine oil myths that drivers should stop believing in 2027. One of the biggest myths is that you must change your engine oil every 3,000 miles no matter what vehicle you drive. While this advice may have been appropriate decades ago, modern engines and today's high-quality synthetic oils are designed to last much longer. Many manufacturers now recommend oil changes anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 miles, while some vehicles can safely go even farther under normal driving conditions. The best source of information is always your owner's manual because engineers designed your engine with specific oil requirements in mind. Following the manufacturer's recommendations instead of relying on outdated rules can save money while still protecting your engine. Another common myth is that black engine oil automatically means it needs to be replaced immediately. In reality, engine oil naturally becomes darker over time because it collects dirt, soot, combustion byproducts, and tiny contaminants. This is actually a sign that the oil is doing its job by keeping harmful particles suspended instead of allowing them to stick inside the engine. Oil color alone cannot determine whether the lubricant is still effective. The oil's condition depends on many factors, including mileage, driving habits, operating temperatures, and manufacturer recommendations. A dark-colored oil doesn't necessarily mean it has lost its protective properties. Many people believe that thicker oil always provides better protection for the engine. While thicker oil may seem stronger, using the wrong viscosity can actually reduce engine performance and increase wear. Modern engines are carefully engineered to operate with specific oil thicknesses. Oil that is too thick may not flow quickly enough during cold starts, delaying lubrication to critical engine components. On the other hand, oil that is too thin may not provide enough protection under high temperatures if it isn't approved for the engine. Always use the viscosity grade recommended by your vehicle manufacturer rather than assuming thicker is better. A surprisingly common misconception is that synthetic oil causes leaks in older engines. Years ago, early synthetic oils sometimes exposed existing worn seals, leading some drivers to believe synthetic oil was the cause of leaks. Today's synthetic oils are specifically formulated to work safely with modern seal materials and many older engines as well. If an engine begins leaking after switching to synthetic oil, the leak was usually already developing due to worn seals or aging gaskets. The oil simply revealed an existing problem rather than creating one. Some drivers think switching between synthetic and conventional oil will damage the engine. Fortunately, this is another outdated myth. Modern engine oils are designed to be compatible with one another. While it is generally recommended to stick with one type that meets your manufacturer's specifications, switching from conventional to synthetic or vice versa will not automatically harm the engine. The important factor is ensuring the oil meets the correct viscosity and performance standards required for your vehicle. Another myth is that expensive oil automatically means better engine protection. While premium oils often contain advanced additives and may offer longer drain intervals or improved performance under extreme conditions, the most expensive product is not always necessary for every vehicle. An engine benefits most from using oil that meets the manufacturer's required certifications rather than simply choosing the highest-priced bottle on the shelf. Paying more does not always translate into better protection if the oil exceeds the needs of your particular engine. Those were some of the biggest engine oil myths that continue to confuse drivers today. In the next part, we'll cover even more misconceptions and explain the facts behind proper engine oil care. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.